Picture this, you're up for a promotion. It's a moment you've been working towards for years. Excitement bubbles, but then doubt creeps in. You start questioning your abilities. What if I'm not good enough? Whispers a voice. We've all been there. It's a universal experience. Negative thoughts, uninvited guests, hijacking our minds. It's a common struggle. These thoughts can be paralyzing. But what if we could change the narrative? What if we could take control? What if we could transform those doubts into empowering beliefs? Imagine the possibilities. That's the power of rewiring our mindset. It's about training our brain to focus on the positive. It's about consciously choosing positivity over negativity. It's a daily practice. It's not about denying the negative. It's about acknowledging it, then choosing a different path. A path of growth. A path where self-belief paves the way to growth and opportunity. A journey towards a brighter future. Imagine your brain as a garden, a place where thoughts and beliefs grow. Negative thoughts are like weeds. They spread quickly and can take over if left unchecked. They choke the beautiful flowers of positivity, making it hard for them to thrive. Rewiring your mindset is about weeding out those negative thoughts, just like you would remove weeds from a garden. It's about replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones, planting seeds of positivity and hope. It's a process, a conscious effort to cultivate a positive internal dialogue, much like tending to a garden daily. Think of it as retraining your brain, just like you would train your body through regular exercise and healthy habits. It takes time, patience, and consistency to see the changes, but every small effort counts. But the rewards? A life brimming with optimism, resilience, and inner peace, where you can truly flourish. It's about reclaiming your power and creating a mindset that supports your growth and happiness. Neuroplasticity, a fancy word for the brain's ability to change, is our ally. This remarkable feature allows our brains to adapt and rewire themselves based on our experiences and thoughts. It's like having a superpower that we can harness to improve our lives. Every time we think a thought, a neural pathway is strengthened. Imagine these pathways as trails in a forest. The more we walk them, the clearer and more defined they become. The more we focus on negativity, the stronger those pathways become. It's like constantly treading down a dark, stormy path, making it easier to return to those negative thoughts. But the good news is, the same applies to positivity. By shifting our focus to positive thoughts, we can carve out new, brighter trails in our mental landscape. By consciously choosing positive thoughts, we create new, empowering pathways. This practice can transform our outlook on life, making us more resilient and hopeful. Our brains become wired for optimism. This rewiring doesn't just make us feel better, it changes the way we interact with the world around us. This shift in thinking impacts our mental health profoundly. It can lead to a cascade of positive effects, enhancing our overall quality of life. Reduced stress, increased resilience, and improved emotional well-being are just the tip of the iceberg. Positivity is powerful medicine. It can help us navigate life's challenges with grace and strength, making every day a little brighter. Ready to rewire? Start with awareness. Notice your negative thoughts. Don't judge, just observe them. Next, challenge them. Are they really true? What evidence supports them? Reframe them. Turn "what if I fail" into "what if I succeed." Finally, practice gratitude daily. Focus on the good, however small it may be. These simple steps practiced daily create lasting change in your life. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, cultivate positivity, and watch your world transform. You've got this.